Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, we're talking about automating your dropshipping store to save time and scale your business like a pro. From streamlining order fulfillment to setting up hands-free customer support, I'll show you the tools and strategies you need to make your store run on autopilot. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So what is automation and what are the benefits? So automation refers to the use of technology to perform tasks that were traditionally done by humans. This can involve anything from simple repetitive tasks like data entry to more complex processes like manufacturing and customer service. Automation offers significant advantages for dropshipping business by increased efficiency and productivity. So for example, through order fulfillment. Automating order processing and fulfillment through integrations with dropshipping platforms like Modellist and shipping carriers saves a lot of time. And through inventory management as well. So real-time inventory updates prevent overselling and stockouts, and that will help streamline your operations. And email campaigns and social media scheduling and ad campaigns frees up time for strategic marketing initiatives as well. So you can automate your marketing as well. Automation also generates valuable data on customer behavior, sales, trends, and marketing performance, enabling data-driven decision-making for business growth as well. So by leveraging dropshipping automation, dropshipping businesses can streamline their operations, improve a lot of efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the overall customer experience, leading to an increased sales and long-term success. So let's start off by talking about platforms that actually offer dropshipping automations. For example, Modellist, it integrates with Wix, Shopify, and others, and it automates order forwarding to suppliers and provides inventory updates as well. There's another one called Oberlo, which is similar to Modellist with focus on AliExpress products, offering features like automated order fulfillment and product importing. And Spocket is another one as well. It also connects with Wix, and it connects you with US and EU suppliers, offering faster shipping times and higher quality products as well. Let's talk a little about a Modellist. So Modellist is primarily an order fulfillment and inventory management. Its key automation features include automated order routing. So when a customer places an order on your store, Modellist will automatically forward the order details to the relevant supplier. It also provides real-time inventory updates, ensuring that you only sell products that are actually in stock, and this prevents overselling and potential order cancellations. And they set automated pricing rules to adjust your retail prices based on supplier's cost, ensuring that you maintain your desired profit margins as well. It's a pretty good one to start off with. What's really important is that Modellist also integrates really well with Wix. They have their own app on Wix. So it means that if you want a bit more control over what your website looks like and you're used to using a Wix platform, then this would definitely be one to go for, as they do have an integration with Wix as well. In terms of pricing, they've got three different pricing plans, one of them being a free plan. It's their hobby plan. Some limitations with the hobby plan is that it is a 25 product limit. So it might be a good thing to try out if you're just starting out with dropshipping, that you start off with the hobby plan, see how you do with the 25 product limit, and then once you realize you're a little bit more into this and you would like to expand more, then maybe look up one of the more pricing plans that you think would suit you. They have a monthly and yearly pricing plan. Currently they offer 25% savings if you pay annually. So they've got quite a few product automations as well. For example, adding products in one click, importing products info, real-time product update, and things like that. So Modellist is a really good one. They offer significant automation features, and it helps streamline order fulfillment and inventory management as well. Modellist, I think, excels in connecting with a wide range of suppliers, including US-based ones. So by leveraging the automation capabilities of Modellist and other platforms mentioned as well, you can significantly reduce manual effort, increase efficiency, and improve the overall success of your dropshipping business. So now let's talk a little bit about marketing automations for our dropshipping website. Marketing automation is really powerful, and it's a really good tool for dropshipping businesses to streamline your marketing efforts, save time, and increase efficiency. Let's talk about some key areas and platforms to consider. First one being MailChimp for their email marketing automation. So MailChimp offer a user-friendly interface and a wide range of automation features. They offer a robust set of email automation features that can be highly beneficial for dropshipping businesses. So here's how you can leverage them. So for example, a welcome series email automation. So the trigger would be when a new subscriber joins your email list. The automation is that a series of welcome emails introducing your brand, offering a discount code, highlighting your best products, and providing valuable content will be already set up by you and then sent automatically to the customer as for them to browse as well. The benefits of that is that it builds rapport with new subscribers, encourages early engagement, and increases the likelihood of future purchases as well. Next, you have abandoned cart emails. So the trigger would be that a customer adds items to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase. The automation would be a series of emails reminding the customer about the abandoned items, offering maybe a discount or an incentive to complete the purchase, and highlighting the benefits of the product. The benefits of that is that it will reclaim a lot of lost sales and improve conversion rates. and so many others. You can do automations for customer win backs if you wanted to reconnect with lost customers and encourage them to return to your store. You can use it for example, birthday emails to build customer loyalty and strengthen relationships. By leveraging MailChimp's automation features, you can streamline your marketing efforts, improve customer engagement, and drive significant growth for your dropshipping business and any business as well. MailChimp is a good one to use for any kind of business. Now let's talk about social media automation for dropshipping. So social media automation can be a real game changer for dropshipping businesses, saving time and increasing efficiency. One such way is through content scheduling. So with content scheduling, consistency is key. It's really crucial for building an engaging website. Social media automation tools allow you to schedule posts in advance across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. You basically create the posts in bulk over the course of a day or so, and then schedule for when those posts are actually set to go live. Loads of platforms offer this. Buffer was one of them, a user-friendly platform for scheduling posts across multiple social media channels. Hootsuite is another one that offers features like social listening and team collaboration. The benefits of using social media automation include being able to maintain a consistent posting schedule that will help ensure regular engagement with your audience. Even when you're busy with other tasks, it can save a lot of time and will help reach a wider audience by posting content at optimal times as well. So let's talk about a platform that can help with content scheduling for your social media platform. So this is Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a powerful social media management platform that can help significantly automate your dropshipping marketing efforts. Their main features is that they allow you for content scheduling and publishing. So you can schedule posts across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn in advance, and this ensures consistent engagement with your audience even when you're busy with other tasks. You can repurpose and reschedule evergreen content like blog posts or informative graphics to keep your audience organized and engaged. It also allows for team collaboration as well. So for example, it has a centralized platform that allows multiple team members to collaborate on social media management, assign tasks, review posts, and track progress all within the same platform. And there's a lot of streamlined communication as well. Hootsuite also have a feature called social listening and monitoring. So you can track brand mentions, monitor mentions of your brand, products, and competitors across social media platforms, and allow you to track relevant industry trends and competitor activity to stay ahead of the curve as well. You can track performance, monitor key metrics like post reach, engagement, and website traffic to measure the effectiveness of your social media campaigns, and generate customizable report to track your progress and identify areas for improvement as well. Hootsuite is a really powerful tool for automating your social media marketing, streamlining your dropshipping business, leverage its scheduling, collaboration, and analytics features to help maximize your social media reach and engagement as well. By effectively using Hootsuite, you can free up a lot of time, increase your social media reach, and ultimately drive more sales for your dropshipping business. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, but if you have any questions, I'd love to hear them from you. Until next time,